Today we're going to take a quiet little stroll through something important. How to find a healthy bonsai tree. It's a peaceful process if you know what to look for. Just a few happy little signs that say, hey, this one's ready to grow with you. I'm Thomas from the Bonsai Barn, and I'll be your gentle companion on this little journey through our videos. Let's start at the top, the leaves. You want bright, lively foliage, smooth, gentle colors, nothing wilted, nothing yellowed. That's your tree's way of smiling. If it looks tired or sad, that might be a tree that needs more healing than you're ready to give right now. And that's okay. Our new bonsai book, Bonsai for Beginners, an interactive introduction, is now available. It's packed with gentle wisdom and step-by-step care tips. Perfect if you're just starting your bonsai journey. You can grab your copy now from the link up top and grow right alongside us. Now come on down to the base of the tree. That's what we call the Nebari, where the roots meet the trunk. I always think of it like a tree giving the earth a gentle hug. You want to see that soft flare at the bottom. If the trunk pops straight out like a pencil, it might not have found its home just yet. This channel's slowly turning into a little bonsai garden of its own. If you'd like to help shape it, the subscribe button's just over there. Virtual high fives, or maybe a quiet little nod, all around. Now here's a fun part. Give the trunk a tiny wiggle, just a whisper of movement. If it stays firm, that's a sign those roots are holding on strong. But if it flops around like it's unsure of itself, well, we've all had days like that, haven't we? Next week, we'll be exploring soil preparation, a little secret that makes all the difference when your bonsai comes home. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, feel free to stick around. Sometimes a tree looks perfect, but if you peek underneath, you find glue on the gravel or little bugs hiding under the leaves. Maybe the roots are black and mushy. That's not a tree that needs styling. That's a tree that needs saving. And you don't need to rescue every tree you meet. Sometimes the kindest thing is to walk away. Have you ever picked a bonsai just because it looked cute and regretted it later? Let me know in the comments. No judgment here. We've all been there. Now, some folks swear by radical root pruning at the seedling stage. Me? I think it's a little like teaching a baby to do calculus, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you've stayed this long, well, I think we're already friends. Hit that subscribe button, or even better, become a member and join our quiet little forest of growers. We've got giveaways, expert advice, and a bonsai community that'll make you feel right at home. You take care now. And remember, there are no mistakes in bonsai, just learning, patience, and a few happy little leaves.